Hey, I'm Alman. I'm the financial controller at Rewind, and today we're going to discuss how Rewind can help a firm like yours. If you haven't already heard, Rewind is the go-to backup and recovery app for QuickBooks Online. It's designed specifically to protect you and your clients from data problems caused by CSV imports, app integrations, and human error. With the click of a button, you can restore the entire company file or a few selected items to a previous point in time. This is something QuickBooks Online can't do on its own. Now, how can this help your firm? Let's hear what accounting superstar Geni Whitehouse has to say.
So you've moved your client's data to the cloud. Good job. But are you done? Are you secure? Can you sleep better at night? Well, I have to tell you that having the ability to back up my client's QuickBooks data files on the cloud gives me an extra layer of confidence and security. For one thing, particularly when I'm using Rewind, I know that I can selectively restore from that backup. So if I were to have one of my team members make some mistake, clearly not me, I'm never going to make a mistake, or make a mistake and enter a bulk load of transactions or do something that I need to reverse, by having a Rewind backup, I can then go in and restore individual aspects of that file and get myself back to a place where I can proceed ahead with the important work that we're doing. So think about that. You know, we put it on the cloud and we think, okay, it's done. I don't have to worry about it. It's all being backed up. But is the backup going to be useful in the event that you have some sort of a crisis?
Awesome. Thanks, Jeanne. On top of maintaining the integrity of your data, Rewind allows you to turn data security into a competitive advantage. You can include daily backups as part of your service packages and provide clients peace of mind that their data is secure from any threats. Now that you understand why Rewind exists, let's dive into how Rewind works. Simply install Rewind from the App Store and link your QuickBooks Online account, and then Rewind gets to work creating your first backup. This will take a couple of minutes or up to a couple of hours, depending on the size of your company file. And that's it for installation. From there, we'll automatically update your backup on a daily basis. With Rewind installed, you'll never have to worry about explaining to your client how one mistake led to a huge disaster, because you've already got the solution. The good news is that Rewind provides accountants with special discounts for you and your clients. On top of that, by backing up with Rewind, you'll have access to our team of dedicated support reps. So what are you waiting for? Start your first backup today by heading over to the App Store and installing Rewind. If you have any questions along the way, you can easily message our support team at help@rewind.io or give us a ring on our support line.